Okay, working on this new kind of portfolio type page with a full screen video background. Really like it. So today I was working on text. I wanted to have a rotation effect, and then I came across a skew effect and I liked it. So I started working on this. As you can see, there's text here. Actually, the whole content box is skewed, but I thought it suited it. So I carried on with it. So let's have a look at this. How do you skew text? Okay, with one line here, skew 45 degrees. That's CSS. That's in my content. Div class of content. So this div block has all these CSS rules: position fixed, bottom 0, background, and a color, width, and padding. Now I've added this transform skew 45 degrees. You can see that here. I was trying to mess around with rotate, have a kind of an angle on it, because I was going to have a nav bar as it goes down here. So an about section, a work section, contact, etc. But I kind of like this effect. Kind of like it quite a lot. So let's have a look back. So that's skewed at 45. Let's try something a bit. I don't know, I've never used this before. 25. Let's have a look. I got to preview again to read the HTML. I'm just experimenting with different angles. That's less. It's gone the other way. I thought it was going to go more. That's gone sort of less. That's come up a bit. So it's skewed forward a bit. That's previewed twice because I clicked twice. Okay. Nice effect this is. So I'm sticking with it. Huh. Clicked 3 times. Okay, so that actually made it come forward a bit. So let's try 90. And I think that'll skew further away. This comes up and where is it all? It's gone. Didn't want to know on that one. Maybe the angle's too much. Not having it. Don't know what happened there. Let's try again. 45. And back to that. So I wouldn't accept 90. 90. I don't know why. Maybe pushed too far back. I'm not certain. But that's how you skew a text or a div block, because the whole content is dived further back. Kind of like it. I think it will suit a sort of a nav bar. I'm going to work more on that tomorrow. But that's how you can skew text with HTML and CSS. So let's have a quick look at that again. And it's just that one line. Transform skew 45 degrees, and that's for the content which is inside this div class of content here. I'm going to turn that into a kind of a nav bar later on. Okay. My screen recorder stopped, so I'm not certain where exactly it stopped. So I'm just going to show this again. That's the CSS there, transform, skew 45 degrees. As you can see, that's inside a CSS rule of content, and there's the div there. Okay, and it gives this effect there.